In this video, we'll see the details of head section. Previously, in the head section, we just defined how we can define the title, and this title is visible on the page title. But this head section has actually 6 different items. I mean, different tags are there in head section. So those are title, meta, link, base, script, and style. So title we already know. This is used to define the page title. Okay, and the second one is meta tag. So this meta tag is defines the metadata of an HTML document. HTML document has lots of metadata. Okay, some of them are character set. Then it also can define the description of the page, the author of the page, and the keywords, and how many seconds it will refresh. So these are the information we can put through this meta tag. Previously, this meta tag was used for SEO, but nowadays the concept of SEO is changed. So only meta tag will not help anybody for the page SEO. They also need to optimize their content also. And after that, there is link tag under the head. So this defines the relationship between a document and external resources. Suppose we have on a stylesheet CSS file, then we can also define through this link tag. Then come to the base. So base is the default address or default target of all the links of a page. This section I will not discuss now. I will come to this section later. Then the script tag. This defines the client-side script. So basically, these are the JavaScript thing or something like that. We can use this thing to interact our website or web page. We can also give some information message like pop up to the users also. Sometimes we might need to hide something during the page load, or when the user do something, we can hide something using JavaScript or this script block. And then the styles. This defines the style information of the document. Using this style element, we specify how HTML elements should render in the browser. So these are the more or less the description of each of the tags under a head. Basically, there are 6: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We covered all the theory related stuff of head tag or head element. Now in the next video, we will define each of them and we'll see how we can implement each of them. Thank you for watching the video. Please like or dislike and comment based on the video content, and subscribe to our channel.